Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Dan Alar's residence here in Darwin, Negros Oriental. So, I am now passing through the gate here and down to the pathway going to his very sophisticated abode here in Darwin. We have here some stored water used for uh, to water his plants. Several bougainvillea here. And also he has this kind of plant. I don't know what's the name of this. Then I guess it is rubber tree. That one. Then we have this one, gumamela, or the local name here is antolanga. Right. This one is tambis. Yeah, it's tambis. It's a very nice place here. We have he has also pine tree and this fruit trees here, mango. He has papaya tree, and some logs that are not used. This will be used maybe in the future for some other purposes. And he has dog. Hello, what's your name? What's your name, dog? What's your name, dog? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, what's your name? The doggy. Yeah, so I'm gonna tour you around, no? So you could have a glimpse of his house here in Darwin. Actually, we just came from our duty in Shaton and we just dropped by here to sip some coffee just to energize ourselves, no, from the long travel we had in Shaton going here in Darwin, no? So we ride. It's in this car of Sir Dan Alar. He has some variety of bougainvillea here. And stored water again, used to water his plants. And I will go through this part here. This one, another footpath going to his garden. A bamboo. And we have this. I guess it's some kind of. No, yeah, ilang. Yeah, it's some kind of ilang. Asa? Kani? Oh yes, yes. Okay. It's scented. Also, I love the scent here. Scent. Yes. The million flowers. The million flowers. Yes, garden hose. And my colleague also is, taking pictures here. Sir Divino. Oops, again. I'll let you see the lawn set, no? I'm gonna sit here for a few seconds just to take a picture of this part. So that's the house. Later on, I'll tour you inside the house so you can see inside, no? So it's very refreshing here. So relaxing. If you need time, space, and a peaceful environment, you've got to visit here. No, joking. Kiddingly aside. So it's really relaxing here in this place. It's away from the noise of the city, the bustling, environment, the noisy people around. So you got to be here at Sir Alar's residence here in Darwin. So. This one attracts me. What kind of plant is this? You have any idea what kind of plant is this? What kind of plant is this, guys? You have any idea? This is calamansi, no? We have the calamansi. Okay. Calamansi. And this one. This one, guys. What kind of plant is this, guys? Yes. That's all for now. No? I'll take some uh, footage later inside. So for now, this is the one I got. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Babu.